Oh my gosh. Do you see those zebras? Watching the background? Jeez. They're upset. She doesn't want us to see between us and their baby.